Hello and welcome to MindTheory, where we explore the depths of human psychology and behavior. Let's get started. This is going to blow your mind. Human psychology is a fascinating field. It explores how our minds work. This includes our thoughts, feelings, and actions. Understanding psychology helps us make sense of ourselves and the world around us. Why do we react a certain way in different situations? How do we form opinions and beliefs? These are all questions that psychology tries to answer. Psychology explores various mental processes. These include perception, attention, memory, and language. It delves into how these processes shape our experiences. For example, our past experiences can influence our perception of a current event. The study of psychology also encompasses diverse subfields. These range from clinical psychology to social psychology. Each subfield provides unique insights into human behavior. Clinical psychology focuses on mental health issues. Social psychology examines how people behave in groups. By unraveling the mysteries of the human mind, psychology equips us with valuable knowledge. This knowledge enables us to navigate the complexities of human behavior. It empowers us to lead more fulfilling lives and build stronger relationships. We often think of thinking as one process. However, our brains actually use two distinct systems. System 1, fast thinking, and System 2, slow thinking. System 1 is automatic, emotional, and intuitive. It helps us make quick decisions, like dodging a ball coming towards us. Imagine driving a car on a familiar route. You barely have to think about it. That's System 1 at work. It relies on instinct and learned patterns. System 2, on the other hand, is slower, more deliberate and logical. It's what we use for complex problem solving or planning. Think about solving a difficult math problem. You need to concentrate, analyze the information, and apply specific rules. That's System 2 in action. These two systems work together to guide our thoughts and actions. Understanding them helps us recognize why we make certain choices. It explains why sometimes we react quickly based on gut feelings, and other times we carefully weigh our options. Emotions are a fundamental part of the human experience. They color our world, influence our decisions, and shape our interactions. But why do we feel emotions like joy, sadness, anger, or fear? Emotions are our brain's way of responding to different situations. Take fear, for example. It's an unpleasant emotion, but it serves a vital purpose: survival. When we encounter danger, fear kicks in, triggering a fight-or-flight response. This response helps us avoid threats and stay safe. Joy, on the other hand, is a positive emotion associated with pleasure and reward. Experiencing joy motivates us to repeat behaviors that are beneficial for us. It strengthens social bonds and promotes overall well-being. Understanding the role of emotions is crucial. It allows us to manage them effectively and build healthier relationships. Recognizing our own emotions and those of others helps us communicate better and navigate social situations with empathy. Decisions, navigating our choices. Every day we make countless decisions, from simple choices like what to eat to more complex ones like career paths. But how do we navigate this constant stream of decisions? The decision-making process is complex and influenced by a variety of factors, including our values, beliefs, and past experiences. One important factor is our tendency to seek information that confirms our existing beliefs, known as confirmation bias. For instance, if you believe a certain brand of phone is the best, you might be more likely to notice positive reviews and ignore negative ones. Another factor is the way choices are presented to us, known as framing effects. Imagine you're considering a medical procedure with a 90% success rate versus one described as having a 10% failure rate. Even though the information is the same, the framing can influence our perception of risk and ultimately our decision. By understanding the factors that influence our decisions, we can make more informed choices. We can learn to recognize our biases, consider different perspectives, and weigh the potential outcomes more objectively. Psychology, a key to understanding ourselves and others. In a world of constant interaction and complex challenges, understanding human psychology is more important than ever. It provides a framework for making sense of our own thoughts, feelings, and actions. Psychology helps us recognize the patterns in our behavior and the motivations behind them. It teaches us about the power of our thoughts and how they can influence our emotions and actions. With this knowledge, we can challenge negative thought patterns, cultivate healthier habits, and build resilience. Moreover, understanding psychology is crucial for navigating interpersonal relationships. It helps us communicate more effectively, build empathy, and resolve conflicts constructively. By recognizing the perspectives and motivations of others, we can foster stronger connections and build a more compassionate world. As we conclude, remember that understanding psychology is not just an academic pursuit, but a journey to better understand ourselves and those around us. Take a moment to reflect on your own psychological patterns and consider how this knowledge can enhance your life and relationships. Embrace the power of psychology to unlock a deeper understanding of yourself and others. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned as we bring more videos on human psychology and behavior.